वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो ऑफ मॉडर्न इंग्लिश स्कूल। आज ये वीडियो में बातचीत करेंगे कुछ ऐसा वर्ड जो इंग्लिश ग्रामर में है नहीं, लेकिन हम लोग मतलब इंडियंस भर भर के यूज करते हैं। दैट वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड इंडियनिज्म। तो इंडियनिज्म मतलब क्या होता है? देयर आर सम वर्ड्स और फ्रेजेस यूज्ड बाय इंडियंस व्हाइल स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश दैट माइट नॉट बी अंडरस्टूड बाय नेटिव इंग्लिश स्पीकर्स। मतलब कुछ वर्ड इंडियंस द्वारा बोला जाता है, अक्सर बोला जाता है, जिसका अस्तित्व है नहीं, और ब्रिटिश लोग सुनेंगे तो कुछ समझ में नहीं पाएंगे, हो सकता है वो लोग बेहोश भी हो जाए। तो ऐसे 10 वर्ड आज उसका क्या मीनिंग और क्या होना चाहिए दोनों ही डिस्कस करेंगे। आज का एक वीडियो धमाकेदार होने वाला है। अगर आपका इंग्लिश का ऊपर कोई शौक है तो इफ यू लाइक इंग्लिश दिस वीडियो इज फॉर यू, एंड इफ यू डोंट हैव एनी इंटरेस्ट तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए नहीं है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट, which we use very often use, that is slowly we use 2 times to indicate। हिंदी में जो एक वर्ड है धीरे धीरे, हिंदी में तो ऐसा ही है, धीरे धीरे चलो, वो धीरे धीरे रिकवर हो रहा है, we use। तो when we use in हिंदी धीरे धीरे, हम लोग इंडियंस इसको धीरे मतलब slowly, तो we use धीरे धीरे मतलब slowly। Let's see one example। धीरे धीरे वो रिकवर कर रहा है। We used to say slowly he is improving, but this is exactly Indianism। ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश और अमेरिकन इंग्लिश में slowly ऐसे कोई वर्ड नहीं है। तो एक्चुअली इट विल बी gradually, so we can use gradually he is improving, he is recovering, then it will be proper। नंबर 2, टाइम पास। हमेशा ही हम लोग ये वर्ड यूज करते हैं। अरे क्या कर रहा हो बेटा? टाइम पास कर रहा हो। तो टाइम पास देयर इज नो इंग्लिश वर्ड। एक्चुअली वी वांट टू मीन वेस्टिंग टाइम अनप्रोडक्टिवली। ये बोलने के लिए हम लोग टाइम पास कहते हैं। इन इंग्लिश इसका अर्थ होगा फ्रिटरिंग और वेस्टिंग टाइम। Third word, out of station। When we ask somebody, where is your father? Suppose he is not at home, he went somewhere else, then ये जवाब हम लोग को सुनना मिलता है, my father is out of station। But out of station ऐसे कोई वर्ड इंग्लिश ग्रामर में by इंग्लिश डिक्शनरी में है नहीं। In place of that we can say my father is out of the city, my father is out of the town else, then it will be proper use of that very word। Number 4, this one I heard many teachers, school ka teachers, college ka lecturer, they used to use, give the exam। बेटा तुम लोग एग्जाम नहीं दोगे, हिंदी में तो ऐसा ही है, एग्जाम देना। तो we used to direct translate in English, देना, एग्जाम देना मतलब give the exam। But give the exam, its meaning quite different। Student do not give the exam, students take the exam, or sit for the exam, or appear the exam, or write for the exam। Anyone we can use। Take the exam, sit for the exam, appear the exam, और write for the exam. Give exam होता है teacher gives the exam, students take the exam. So student ये गलती दोबारा मत करना. It is a very, you can say, blunder. It's not mistake, it's a blunder. Okay, let's see the fifth Indianism. हिंदी में हम लोग हमेशा पूछते रहते हैं आपका शुभ नाम क्या है. नो डाउट करेक्ट सेंटेंस, यहां पे कोई गलत है नहीं. When we convert this one in English, we usually ask what is your good name, but name good bad ऐसे कुछ होता नहीं. So what is your good name, ये सेंटेंस भी गलत होता है. Simply we will say what is your name, or if you want to ask more politely, you can ask may I know your name please. May I know your name please. Very polite. You can ask anybody else, he won't mind if he knows English. Simply you can ask what is your name, or if you want to say politely may I know your name please, you can ask. Sixth, very interesting, when we used to walk on the road, suppose somebody or some person are there standing in front of you. When you want to go, we used to say side please. If anybody asks me, I will say which side, right side, left side, back side, front side, or up side or down side. तो side please ऐसे कोई वर्ड इंग्लिश में है नहीं. Actually what you want to mean, you want to go, you want side. So simply you tell them, excuse me, let me go. Then if he or if they know English, they will understand what you want to say. Seventh point, almost all every day we hear when you are speaking over telephone. If you disconnect the call, whom you are talking, he used to say, उन्होंने कॉल काट दिया. जी कट, दिस वन हिंदी में भी यूज होता है. इंग्लिश व्हेन यू से वी से कट द कॉल, ही कट्स द कॉल. Actually we want to mean disconnect, so it will be right to say disconnect the call. He disconnected the call, so we should not say cut the call. Next, number 8, when somebody give you any suggestion, any advice or order else, he used to say in that way, do one thing. That means he wants to say whatever he is telling, follow that or do accordingly. So he used to say do one thing, but this is totally Indianism. There is no word in English dictionary, do one thing. Then what will say? You can say do this or do what I say or try this first. Out of these three, do this, do what I say, or try this first. Any one you can use in place of do one thing. Next, number 9, when we say about ourselves, means when we introduce ourselves in front of a gathering. At that time we use this word frequently. I pass out from Delhi University. I pass out from Banaras Hindu University. Else, but pass out, this one we cannot use when we want to mean we graduated or I graduated. This one you can use when you came out by securing a high degree. If you come out from any university, such as from Oxford University, then also you can use I pass out from Oxford University this year. But when you want to mean just graduate, you have completed your graduation, at that time you cannot use this word pass out. At that time simply will say I graduated from this college, or I have completed my graduation from such and such college. That will be proper English or British English. Pass out, that is totally Indianism. Last but not the least, this one also we frequently say when we introduce ourselves. First we start in that way, I myself Mr. such and such. I myself Mr. Tapan Kumar De Ellis. So when we start at the time myself, it is a possessive pronoun. So possessive pronoun you cannot use in the beginning. So it will be I am Mr. such and such. I myself by any means it's not correct. So you will say I am Mr. such and such, or I am Miss such and such. In that way you start your introduction. That will be proper and according to the grammar. So I hope you understood. If you do not understand, you कमेंट में लिखो कहाँ पे तकलीफ हुआ, और ऐसा वर्ड और जानने का इरादा है तो कमेंट करो. I will come with some other Indianism in next video. Thank you.